In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best hashtags for Instagram. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use a free online tool to quickly generate relevant hashtags that can help more people discover your posts. First, open your browser and go to the Hootsuite Instagram hashtag generator. You can find it easily by searching for Hootsuite Instagram hashtag generator online. This is a web-based tool, so there's nothing to install, and it works on both desktop and mobile. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Select Language. This is usually a drop-down menu near the top of the tool. Click on that drop-down. Choosing the right language is important because the tool uses it to understand your description and keywords accurately, which leads to better hashtag suggestions. From the drop-down list, click on your preferred language. Pick the language you use most often on Instagram, so the hashtags match the audience you're trying to reach. As soon as you select it, the tool will switch to using that language for its suggestions. Next, you'll see a box where you can type in a description. This should be a short explanation of your post or your overall content. For example, if you're posting a photo of a morning workout, you could describe it as a home workout session, early morning routine, or fitness progress. Be specific and clear. The better your description, the more accurate your hashtags will be. Below or near the description, there's another field where you can type in keywords. These are the main topics or themes related to your post, like fitness, travel, makeup, or small business. Add a few strong, focused keywords rather than a long list. This helps the generator understand exactly what kind of audience you want to reach. You'll also see an option to upload a photo. Click on Upload a Photo, then select the image you plan to post on Instagram from your device. Adding the actual photo gives the tool more context, which can lead to even more relevant hashtag suggestions based on what's visible in your image. When your language, description, keywords, and photo are all set, click on the button that says Generate Hashtags. The tool will process your inputs, and after a short moment, it will present you with a list of suggested hashtags tailored to your content. Take a bit of time to look through the results. You can usually scroll to see more options. If the suggestions don't quite match what you had in mind, use the Reset option to clear everything and try again. You might adjust your description, tweak your keywords, or even upload a different photo to get better results. Once you're happy with the selection, you can copy the hashtags from the tool. Then, go to Instagram and paste them individually into your caption or the first comment of your post. Choose the ones that feel the most relevant and natural for your content, instead of using every single one. This way, your hashtags look intentional and focused, and you're more likely to reach the right audience for your posts.